with some very tired looking wild garlic. It is mid-June and we have harvested the wild garlic for the last few months. The leaves, the stalks, the flowers, and we're right at the end of the season now. Or are we? There might just be one last harvest that we can get from the wild garlic plant, and here it is. The garlic plant has gone to seed, and you can find these bursts of like green fireworks where the flowers once were, just on top of this yellowing old decaying leaves. And it's these little seeds in clusters of 3 that pack a mighty garlic punch when you eat them. Here we have 2 examples of the seeds that stand tall on top of these stalks. So they're quite easy to see above all that yellowing leaf matter. Now the seeds, we're just about at the end even of that harvest opportunity, but we've still got some good ones. What we're looking for is the very bright green clusters of 3. They're the ones we want. You can see on this example, many of them have started to turn yellow. This means that they've gone hard. In fact, if we bite into it, yeah, it's quite hard, and inside is a black seed. I don't know if you can see that. So what we're looking for is the immature green seeds that haven't gone into that black seed yet. So we'll get rid of that one and have a look at this one with a bright green trio of seed. Yeah, straight away, much easier to bite into, much more juicy. Oh, and the strong flavour of garlic is really powerful. Totally, oh, if you're a garlic lover, totally fabulous flavour. So it's these little seeds that we want to harvest. Very easy, just to use your thumbnail to pick off those 3 seeds. And we want to collect those in a pot. You can use them fresh in your cooking that day or the following day, or dry them, much like you would keep in a jar your coriander seeds ready to throw into a curry. So what can we do with them? Well, there's so many things. I fried up some rice last night and I added some lemon balm and plenty of wild garlic seeds in order to flavour the fried rice, because it's such a strong flavour. It also works really well with curries, stir fries, adds a bit of crunch and a bit of fire to a salad, soup. The list goes on. They're so strong in flavour that if you're not into hot garlic flavours, use sparingly. But if you do like it, then these are a great one. You can harvest plenty, but only take what you need. So, once you've collected all your wild garlic seeds, take them home and experiment with different recipes. That's exactly what we do, and we write up all our recipes on our Patreon page, which you can follow and get access to all those recipes. Just follow the link in the description below if you're interested. Now, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the seeds I've collected home and probably add them to some couscous. I've also found a load of nettles that still haven't gone to flower, which I also might add to that to make it a truly wild couscous. And for more information on wild food and how to identify different foraging plants and trees and all things woodland, then check out the other videos on our channel. See you again.